it says, how does your class help with job readiness? How does the class, our program help with job? Now, our entire program, and not just our database administration program, all of our programs at Enstar Technologies are focused, like our focus is job readiness. Our priority is to equip you with the skill sets you need, not just to, not just academic. It's not just academic for us. It is, we want you to be able to take the things you've learned and use that to go and work, right? And how we help you be job ready is our approach. First of all, our curriculum is designed for the place of work. We've 8 weeks, 6 weeks of our other programs is not enough to fully immerse yourself in every aspect of SQL, for example, right? SQL is broad. But in 8 weeks, we can strip out what is important. What are the core things a database administrator has to deal with on a day-to-day basis? So one, our curriculum is constructed with the job in mind. Now, secondly, as you go through our programs, you have for every module, for every week of class, we have projects that are assigned to you. These projects are not just research oriented. These projects are not just to get you to go and study the things that you were taught. These projects that we give are real world scenarios that we have dealt with. I have been a database administrator myself for the last 13 years, and I've been training for 8 years now. And I still get to support my students. So I am very intimately familiar with the day-to-day workings of database administration from my own experience and from the expertise and experiences of my students. And all of that is what I bring to with the projects that I give to my students to do in class. So you'll see that every session, every cohort, these projects evolve based on what's new, what's trending, what I'm seeing in the industry, what I'm seeing in the market. But the goal is it's how you build your own use case scenarios. Those are the things you'll be talking about in your interviews. We've designed it to be where I tell my students, don't think of this as you are starting a new class. Think of it as you're starting a new career, right? Because the work we give you are the things you do on the job. I always get the question with my students, in real life, is this going to be? And I'm like, this is real life. This is real world. This is how it's going to be on the job. I hope that helps. Again, our goal is to take you from classroom to work and make that a seamless transition. If that's what you're looking for, then go ahead and reach out to us. We'd love to have a conversation with you. We'd love to tell you about our promotions and how we can help you get started in this career path. I'll talk to you soon.